Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we're going to explore how to migrate email marketing from Mailblaze to Klaviyo. Click the links in the description to try Mailblaze and Klaviyo for free. Let's dive in. Firstly, we need to export our data from Mailblaze. Head over to mailblaze.com and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, on the home page, click on Lists. I have one segment named Subscribers. Ensure all relevant data is included. Then proceed to the Export menu. That's it. Data exported. Before importing the list into the new platform, it's a good idea to clean it up. Remove any inactive or unresponsive subscribers. This will help improve your deliverability rates on the new platform. Bouncer is a great email validation tool, so you can try it out for free without having to enter any credit card information, using the link in the description below. Use an email validation tool to remove any invalid email addresses. After cleaning up your list, it's time to import it into Klaviyo. Go to klaviyo.com. Here, on the home page, I'm already logged in. Navigate to Audience. Under Audience, we have List and Segments. Click on it, then Create List. Name your list and create it. After it finishes loading, click on Import Contacts. Upload your exported file. Ensure it's correct and import it. Successfully imported. If you had segmentation tags or groups in your old platform, you would want to reapply these in the new platform. As you can see, I have one group. Next, we send a welcome email from our new platform. This confirms the successful import and informs your subscribers about the switch. Click on Campaigns, then create a campaign email. Give it a name. Choose the newly created contact list. Here, you can use text only or other options. Write your message and send it. You can send it now or schedule it for later. As you can see, it is very easy. You can send it and monitor all the sent emails. Remember, transferring your email list is a crucial part of switching to a new email marketing tool. It requires careful planning and execution to ensure a smooth transition. Thank you very much for watching. Click the links in the description to try Mailblaze and Klaviyo for free.